And we are live. Nining Jo Acholi, welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi. One segment mingo, Ceng Abicel Gil King, session number 2. Topic Martin, I want me to talk about marriage issues Martin yo. Kin wabi better kanera na kere, from two different point of views. Okeny is married, I'm married, I'm not married, like kin wabi better kanera. uh, Kidmanyo Birokere, not only within the family, but within the Acholi community. When then there's a lot of challenges. The way Nyom Tie has changed quite a bit since we came to America, and not only in the West, but also Kidmanyom Tie Keredong Gang. Gang is not 100% exactly the way it used to be. Nyomo Birokaloka Bene. What better kaneno discussion mo for mo about ngani kidmamon mati gini kan gi chaka laka dong gini gi chaka disrespecting chwagi or pushing their husband to the side. Wamira wane nga an mera machal daka ni wamane there's two sides to that coin and a bit of kaneno gamo. So we'll touch on that a little bit. Okay, I'm going to turn it over to you to introduce yourself and what you think about the topic.
Thank you for welcoming me to Chaka Actually.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you can hear me.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So basically, topic
Mm.
is an important topic
Mm.
in community affecting traditional marriage and now relationship.
Mm.
Mati in Chog Imon,
Mm.
Kareni Choliko, South Sudanese or Africa as a whole, but
Mm.
it's an important topic because
Mm.
kidi waje kere nini
Mm.
aneno la moti acho ne
Mm.
yo kwani Facebook ni
Mm.
like yo mo in the Western world. I think it was somewhere in Europe
Mm.
near oture or chiro a liar yala
Mm.
ko oture atek otio
Mm.
uno chene yala ko timo process chuluga wing or te daga per kuna Europe or abroad.
Mm.
Maro te dago ne dago
Mm.
chino la cho ma tia be nye tio o
Mm.
tie gawon tia wo da be lakin
Mm.
pinya bi loga ni dago ne okelo wie o loga
Mm.
come o chi loga come lo cha le nye tia timo ronyi come maya
Mm.
uh, the, from the message I saw dago ne mero obilu mo police come here kono
Mm.
mun waje lok mini odoro lo mo kapat
Mm.
inge in the western world ki waja ni
Mm.
la cho go inyo la cho timo kid gi mo
Mm.
mamiro utwero beri or ka chiel ko nyitia waji luoro pe kwa pe kon ngari be timo ranyi komi inge police e bino lo kwani
Mm.
ingi ot chwalo tu wo ka in lucky ko go te meni buch
Mm.
so from story aneno ne
Mm.
daga no kelo wie kono ngo bine come
Mm.
o logi come la chone ni ni eni timo ga wen timo process kelo lakini no mo ipo wo
Mm.
police ti nge daga ne daga
Mm.
ti a chunge police dogola
Mm.
aje ni ini a wa kanye
Mm.
from there ni and it was based on riamo en chal en ngano na neo gi moko wala la cho ka daga ni ko. So
Mm.
atia tamana ne okay gini ada tie
Mm.
kin actually can ko
Mm.
African wing mau cho special cho ma kelo mon
Mm.
gi Africa kuyene gin
Mm.
gitia lebul chi ga chuli nyo chik to be machal in ka nyume gi daga pe mo Africa ini tamone mo nyum marong o mo kwa tek munu ngan
Mm.
mo pero kere to
Mm.
mo wa large ingeo tradition mi Africa kari mi acholi yin
Mm.
ki nyumo daga pero kari ngo dani ni karo rwenye ni karo time ni
Mm.
un pero ka chiel so Paul Cho gi kelo mon na in America nyo kone western world munu
Mm.
mi riegone ni munu daga pe ubero kere ka chiel
Mm.
lakin kila nini wajine there's two sides to the coin
Mm.
cho mene en gin ga git bino en your liar
Mm.
gikelo mon tuge lakin
Mm.
after maybe some years inyo piny bilago pien western world dako mero ti la cho mero ti yala un poru bero ujing kumwa tek ibero gam lakin piny lago ma cho pole ju iwajo ne gagi kelo mon tugini nyo dako ne bilago kuma ni kwera ena yala mero chira ga yinyo yo pere eni neno piny kid bino I wilogone o yabo wange so any kwero bedo gi lachoni so but kidi wajo kene again mene gitie neno la kanye gin mene ka gikelo wigi and pien gi mere mono ti yala ka mone meno kono gibero mogadi kono mogadek mogangwen piny la choni mene lui go mogo chiri Africa yinyo anyaka mo nyien nyo chako en lo Facebook chiro kono social media ka yinyo mon na nyira ya lo kere bi women out there yala ka dana gi binena ni bino kero line dwi kero nyom nyo en marriage pa dana pien pole mon ko kelo gen gi kwero chona ni wango yabe no any new thing and wo bere gla chona munu mene tie lakin kirwa tie nene gini tie time mara weng we mon time ko we more like 60 to 70% but mene tie maybe 40 to I don't know close to 50% pien cho moko mene kagi bino kanya again kia wajane ino gichira yabo kaneno gimo apart so muni ngia be kiro lok gan yala ka enung daga wango yabe ngeo ping tiu atek tia gara bia pe tuara chulo out pe nyo edi ngeo western world katig lotini government ba gibine la cholo amiro o kon pien ini nyal daga ne ya lotini mire gogen ngamo atu kire mo gitoro marry anyim without any logmomi kind of financial support. So ginongo kongwini mana dagano akelo abe like mana otia tuyane yo laga ano chala tiro ngan mo angeo neko yala man gamente ro doni loke. So for that kelo mongi Africa chal be ko nyome kera yang mono itia lugo te kwaro pijero mene ki bini western world nen jal tek and atamone mono issue atie like again mon maybe 60% jar maybe 50% then gine wang tia time ikin jar like in mon and the western world.
So ini tamoni money can mati Allah I will job and ti Allah. It seems as if in most cases kagi better get daga karaman like a few years maybe get de kono ya well kono kasmi young gang nga get take polygamy it were better get multiple wives well mon maduong so get chaka nena mon mo kene kono no daga to go bino daga tia tim ga wen mi gang kono daga bene chaka titi akonya kore tia gogolo tin tia tim ga wen cho wangi chaka ringo wo so mon bene ginene nga resource gig certain ginen more opportunities more maybe in the west allow them to now sustain kungi find a better pasture not a greener pasture but maybe gimo kene matwero mia ire joy and happiness pien nga no chware dong pia mia ire joy and happiness ere Paul Mon they don't really cheat they're not doing it to cheat they're doing it because no atie gimo issue mo tie gang gichaka timo gamo chango cherry teach stay teach late gossip maduong logi mo kene nga cherry the community lakini on gino gi gang po la gitie gichaka don kono ignore kono chwage mo gi ignore mer bene ko they still carry on gina chwage chaka lahe gi gang so gumuru ne chono gine na dano tiche pe anmene dong amira ko ada kimi wajane gichaka chira mon gang gichi kilo do da mo kene angyo cases ma duong ma twer waje ko ni ngo cho magi chiro gang gichi kilo mon idwa kanyi US mon men gi dead pingo The issue is not mon. The issue is Johnny Magiti pretending gin chaw, the tradition to aning one mirror water chaw, mirror pillory, Chuarity mage mo ke kene gaklaling, kari kilo daga mo kene gaklaling, kari chir mire gaklaling, and muru tradition to an and mulki mo ponya one domon, kima mirwa donkeri on. Wega chorong wigi tek, ningo, weki dong gi chiri ki kwanya mon gi chen gi kilo dog daga mo kene. Kalam farik dong gi kwera daga mo kene ni. So many cases dong, ngo, mon magi kilo gi gang and gi kilo wigi ako bene. Chogi danya kamara kanga. Yala daka magi bora yang dong ngo chwingi tie ye dong gimira daka ma yang chon ma yang dong giti mama rachi gilana daka ne gimira dong daka chan lakin dong daka ne move on gi life better pola bene bogi nyome again giber nang giber ka gokalo tini tuki gi take responsibility mi gokalo tini wen ken gi dong wala chorong ti apale ko anera ni one this is not something we talk about, but there's a large obot community in the South, Kanye in the U.S. Gin not official obot, mucho manongo nongi bora montugi, gin ngamo gi bora tiegang, gin weng nongi berka chele or a chiel. So they're obot, but they're not obot because montugi tie. So they think nongi riek, ye outsmart mon ma tie kan. Pien gi wan ngo mon ma kan dog gi duom gi look too much. Gi chi kwanya nong daga magang, daga makwil, daga magakla le ngio tradition water cho. Gi bino no gin wen gi bere ka chelo, gi maro kongo, kon gi drive truck, kon gi timo ngo, gin wen gi tim kiro ti ya chelo, gi bere kun gin ken mod pe. So muno gi tama ni ngo, muno kwa mabe ni pien ngo, muno tugi magi kelo gi gange. Gi water cho ko, gi miro nyom tugi ko gi balo nyom, gi look maduong. Lakin, when will community trying to address this issue? Are you sure the issue is daga perimi kelo ganga? Will a daga perimi nyom ubino kerekanye? When will society to a community to a see ngo cho? What are you doing different? Pingi kelo daga perigi gang ni a very tradition like a traditional wife or very submissive. Kadang chawa jiringa ini chiri teach. Work 40 hours a week, work overtime. Being bear children, raise children. Gori admin do Latin peri. Kanong dako day, wani chwara kanya and a day. Atimo most of the work in this house, kachulo most of the bills in this house. La cho dong en tiu tija cheli ke kenong cherong kamar gi cho mo nyo bod mo ni dong etimo dong lo daka dong ni ada kan tij perpe enong daka mi village magang do be. There's some cases where cho gi dog gang gi nyomo dako. Gi bora daka ne kuja gi duro kanye kono na gi bora daka tugi ma tie kanye wele podi gi tie kedge no ngamo dong gi kwanya tie gang kono gi wan hani atio chere vacation no gi chere gi chinyom daka ko daka makanye no ikar mo ben gi nge ko ni chwara chi kwanya ngamo ka ngamo bu bi kori loke ire nyobo post ni social media nge ko ni chwara chi kwanya ngamo gi gang yala like daga tagi kanye ti ago ko chwara ti ago ko family no chwara dong ti ngamo kene chogi chaka bero chen distant gibo daga ti gi lo gi daga gi dal gi lano mon ti gi dong e mo cases ma bero kanena ne lakin mon mo nyoma gi gangi bene guess what okay gi ti bene gi social media gi neno gamati atime west gimati atime Facebook TikTok ngo wen gi ti anena ne gi ti anena movies they gi ti adapt culture from the west bene anyir ma kuje ngara gimira ruge maleng gimira tima mene gimoko cha miro beno chol bills to gi wengo chol igi chene gi yubu kum gi bes gi bero mot eno cho makanye ubi gi tan daga barong belo daga makuje tioko it income per week salary per week ta chola ne mi go daga chane tima gi mo ken ma mira all year round no ini tie kan kala daga per in mo go in ma bene mon ma kuje ndong mod be ko gi pale ngi chwala ti wi America ta inge daga na tia timo ngoma no ngini pe ku jani inge are you sure daga chane do be lo daga pe ma kan ni struggle kerene yes maybe we should have maybe marriage counseling or some type of initiative in the community to mi konyo nyom lakin it's not just mon that is the issue. I feel like child now we get techningo ka daga paro kilo we on the street and man no achi kwanya daga gi gang so ka daka beno de na chone ti mata ta ge munu gi wor ge wer kono gi chere conference gi kwanya daka mo kene gi buru gi mon mo kene daka mele cha dong do night like act like pegi chware Better don't gang, better la ling look when get ko. No one new relationship. Munu no balagi odd. Look bed there's a disconnect in the house. So don't got your nanny dagane don't quit ko mira and ko tim and my right. Ko no and tiatima father. As a community, we're not addressing the issue of what those men are doing. There's case by case, like there's certain cases that we can discuss, but I'm not going to go into detail, okay? Because it's not just the woman's reaction to what the man is doing, it's our community putting shame on women for acting the way their husband is treating them. People are afraid to talk about it because that's our culture, right? Dan pe mira ni danu ngay ngoma ti atime di atuki so gitala leling yugi a gi bora munyome. It could be in one extreme where like cho you daga get cat dano in is public. Jun get kara ha nga daga ringa ha chiro kan kun la cho chiro daga daga state man kono dak la cho chiro is country mo kene. The other extreme cases mon gitala leling in the house ngeo ko the one gitinyo. So I think it's just a matter of our community coming together. We've done a look at about this issue mignon because the divorce rate is very high now amongst Jotua the community to a point where yes, Jotua mo gikwanya lorok, montua mo ben gikwanya dong lorok. And it seems like what the butt head gini the community to the Acholi community, especially Kanye in the West. Jogi killing we get mon minute killing we get. Okay, there's no solution to this issue. It's either ta imun ta la ling yo ta la ling di nyom tu giga nyo gi cat completely done when near about it. You kara mo ben okuma bina gwara lo tini tu ko weng gi dong kenge ngaman single you tum chan ngamo ti single you tum chan. Pola in most cases like your dog gang in the village kono kanye di Africa kuja kwanya daga mo kene ka kelo nyo en daga ha chibero kuja. Mono ngaron most mon ginyome donko eno gibero kumuru ge go adon lotini. Okay, there's a lot of fault, there's a lot of shame mabino kere. So that's why nani a lot of mon giti atala leleng ka bogi break up dinyo munu gitala leleng. And munu meneti I'm a bad example for the younger generation how to handle nyom the community tour. Ki nyom ngamo ko ni tamle bore ina wala wuket kon ngarechi kon chuari kon chinyom ngamo giga. You know, those are some of the concerns that I feel more is going through it right now. Giti atamone madungo. Lakin chone pole don't get tamingo. Mon mati in the West wang nong gibala ha. Custom to a mati in the West kanya bala we what take what look madung. True, but guess what? Gini minute atime gang. Anyira mi village modong pe jono wengi tigi chimi chinge. Ngeo ko chako ben giti boy fi madung lo wan mo mati wo kanye. Okay? Pola nyira mo mo nyomo kono gi Juba kono gi Uganda Kampala bo yala wang munu bene jomi itwar wani gitwar compete daka permi e dongo kede ka chelnya mi nyomo ubero kede karma lat ka chel kanye ko. Your assumption is that ngomatio gang kuja gimati on the other side of the fence belo gimi ibero ka endure in your home, which is not the case. Amiro, before I pass it on to you to make a comment, okay? Amiro no new video more regarding your any magi maraling of gang to Ali every year. Can you madaga magang? Get your gang only once a year, can a daga kagi duo or kanye. Get you all chena to Wally every week salary wang what daga chani. Couldn't go daga moti kanye. Matia suffer chira teach chiri tichulo bill wang wala tini wang doggy cook and kene la chote chwala chena ho wang daga mo munyo manyin tiga. Let me show you this one video. Before I do a body for a comment. Okay, this video, let me hold on. I want to preface this video by saying video any is a discussion actually by one of our Acholi celebrities. It's Lucky Pro and Onek. Okay, they're talking about don't worry about it. We will handle it. We take care of the money we bought like much we will take.
It's true.
Let me see if I can go back and you see it? Come on, let me put it on stage.
Iwinyi ni jal abora daga makuja abora daga makuja abora daga makuja no ini wek daga jalan je mu kana chungu wiya badal mostly ko mo megi wa mati wa koni tege gibini africa kan gi dog wo iwinyi ni jal abora daga makuja abora daga makuja abora daga makuja no ini wek daga ni kai no ini wek to go kiti ini chwala so na wa ini chwala so wana chamo ni angwe agobe no da ni mo do ko danyo in business mo do ko danyo in say we go go ge da o me ni kwanya na kan wana go go ge ni angwe da ko Robert mo ga chen lo ko tweet yeah and no matter how go go ni and he o do ko mathematics say we inyanga nyu no kwanda ka ke chira go e bi nyanga Pinga guiro percentage niya girl dem ko chwalo job chwalo so le pang ot le will bangira wana poko now eto compete and that eto bit no jalan je mu kana chungu ya bajar mostly ko mo megi wa mati wa koni tege gibini africa kan gi dog wo iwini ni ja abora daga makuja dogo mathematics say
Okay. So, King, what do you think, huh?
No, it's the truth.
Kid, man, like pro, you watching it.
Get what you look at car, cause no, I'm gonna. I want you to I look at like you, yalla. I'm no cho me get tamane de kachali tigi mona doom. You know mo daga mo nyin. You te ko miel yalla gitimo ka weng. Chene me ne paro ko kuno chene di wala timo ngo kira juni wa ni kene. Chala chene me pango on. Me will a bong, me will a cell phone, lithium. Ga weng gichwala yala jua gitie gang chal cho gitie lok jona gitie cham ko chena na yala daga ni mo no tiro girlfriend tugi your side chick tugi your man business partner yenyo mer cho gi bino gi western world chal bi abikire Kampala abinongo anyiramo thinking me gina give me Baganda. Give me gi bero gi muni moko anyero ma bichiel yala munareo. What bug come on. So anyero gi tia waka gi muni ne. Gingeo ko ne wano anabino from US. Gingeo ko. Gingi tia waka gi juni ngo ginera wantian an gi ka day what tia beri bug. What tia mera mara kongo. Lakin but Gimo Yuruni one what bino ge Western world pay. One what dear better time. One of the girl I nyakane mo mala or jago dio pepper spray toward where we're sitting. I don't think she realized no Johnny bino tigi pepper spray komge then like in case I think one of my security reason. But I nyakane tia tamone Charlie was perfume quiet. Minyurunani ya unko ngo just yeah or something. So bonge so after that I hear par
okay gonna
so como miel Johnny bene ginchal mi Ukraine kono mi
oh my god
Russian gingem na lemon ko so I hear again wang kongo miel gingem na wago again like in Gimabo team. So Kiranana and Mon Air Gitia team exactly give a Johnny Boys a Gitia Waye video. Gingibo Comio already Narmoy came been in Western world, Mono Arabs or Chol na you know keep bino and Yeramogi committee with Gitia Gijoli Bin what tier hotel tier bird tier Maraconga tier Gawain tier Nyuru kombi chal tuon na mo ade inom ka tiene pe tinyu mero dawo le temo gitimo gawe iri pien bunu ne kibi dog kibi chwalo gawe yela ka gin ki chao en no chene komi so jona tie mon gitimo gini chome temo gina aken kiranye ye wajo kere mun exactly you are tie temo community twane ana ngeo cho wa dum wa gitie gichi Africa ginyomo daga wanyin yo gitie no daga mo wanyin yo gitie nya nyaka mo gichwalo chena ya la kiri wajana gichiro ne kono once a year no twice a year mo kom gimiel ka gitwa chiro every 3 months twere chiro lakini ngia be kan mi time ne atek mi chiro ga nyuru community chena mo so ka polcho ka gimiro no gimira ngichire every 3 months every 6 months pien gimiro chiro en ka yinyo ga tu ga yinyo lakini emunu ya kilo lo in marriage and my odd ballet kirene so yeah munu gi atie yo business kolo ke dog Africa kuya jomo gi tia no chena be yala cho mo me na para piloke ko en gi akelo lo tan wanga.
So I know this is not what this topic is about, but that goes back to my point of how to address the root cause of this issue. Nature pacha, mana. Who better keep on laying on it? Pierre, como miel. Gimo ma koni buara kuja bo chomo kene kumi miel ge hangi ma be kon la chomo chair dakani logic gina ngamo guaro gi kuja nungi bor. You know this in your brain. Ngoma kumu miel ye so much. What is about cha? Mawangeo ko ma kumu miel gi mo gi pirmo tie gang. Puri komi miel gi mo ma koni miri share chulu chen mi ma deep miri share gi chomo kene. What is it about women as men? Exactly. Kinyo.
No, I think no, Polcho, like you said, it can give para pilo michene ko en tu tian ne gimo munu manyin. Yala come miel long, yala come miel ra miel long. Perum ka nit family pe guda be no. Yere no chunye tia por gimo apart. Yala ni ko gokino daga mo nyin yo kune no ngiro mo kune time ni yala kwa pe be la en mene chunye go no tia be munu tama pole tie me we cho ami be chala cho ane so Paul cho me yeah mulu long is stupidity but you know again I don't know if you heard this before a full pleasure is whatever so gina gimoy ken ma nikono tia kelo yung chunye kanilum gina bi kelo ta come enum parako enana miri tingiere already so basically cho pegi tia tamo you ngipe ma mero tam loga be economy marriage pe your relationship pe tamo kid guy kone na dawo nyin so munu gi akelo logi komcho po lejui yeah kida ingeo kari kan wa ka bere again wa pe wa yin down on there akir wa new jomo wa gina gi kelo daga tu ya be gi bere bene wa be kono mo ga pa kono mere more mo ga pa akin for some reason gi ket loti ti gi ya daga do ti no ngano yin ko bero ka mo pa la cho American committee mi linkin every month mi dog Africa la kintia bero gi mi ne pori
Mau wari gin wengi tia beri obod central in Texas kuja gin wengi beri yero kage ringo egi save chere mi ringo Africa mi na down for 2 days kage do
yeah gitimo dana timo ge ingeo dana mo mana kutie gitia yuru komgi pienge social media irugu suit o be kori ingeo jo
gitira bongo dana gang kuja
rugo o kori be la tantie taje pen mo kero malo giwi ni ene tie to na bema nyuru kona rabia pienki nyuru community Facebook kone tie YouTube rie no jomo ko meno gena gichulo chena lo weo begin muri na YouTube kenyo waga no ni tie malo tie kona entuan ngan mo akin wamio be gimope
One year, one wing. Oh
So,
shit.
yeah, so Dana walking in. Yeah, I mean,
Oh Lord. This is
why
too.
you child, tear, clever children, picture with 1,000 words. So, keep my Charlie tear and then I can penny and child and when I chill. Paul, Narati, child, doom, email in ko Charlie tear, nending woman. So, Paul Charlie tear, bomo, Dano. Mega kajungi be itio attack karubang kunyi gowinongo on me wila nyod mi panga kin mi ti attack ya ti itio attack in ki bala chene pere en ko ka yenyo mon grungo gimo ikiro kala nyin pe so ene ga gama chal ka nyune akiri ngira be account pe no gimo pe ya dog when me dog Africa inyo Africa come chene miri begi chene come en mon re wajene ki chiro let's say get liba date liba ngwen after he spend liba ngwen then what na habitually chene so pola miri tia take kari new challenge ning kari waga ni ning lo twara we pi in kumuno cholo men ri angeo ko ingeo ki chwalo kono I don't know 1 million shilling to boss make kono any of those artists UG we wear up in the puggy chal in tuan gemo
One game. Oh, get look at this suit.
kana
Come on,
tia
God,
waka
get
giga
my
no I even thought about them a video there kala I knew ko wana tanto la lonyo mo no so
shit.
no dana tia ma ga so no at the local very weng no ni yenyo gana yom twin like yenyo yom twin bikelo logi come special cha so yana
And then it's your mother been a gay Africa, you get a tell me, you me being a walk, can get a bomb, more material, or can you on yom gain or kill gain kanya. That case exists, but it's very limited. A case at knock. That will be a binyo, like your more kilo. Okay, give me maybe a couple of months or so. Down the bolo, like your the gwek mwek, or ring ex-husband.
no so the team ever in polo you better one any social media you king polo lo lungo ni I think I forgot the name of the why polo Nigerian or my team America akiri African polo wengi donye local
Oh,
yenye
now you
mera
the fiance.
yeah lo lungo ko ne so basically you know curry ngan mo pole muni agi chue gi tugi mo pe ngano en amira ne pe kono weigh maybe 300 pounds lakin ngot eri new ko ni in ki binu bo be kwere en anga tia wa any mari chene mo e ke no kala adera yang reality TV show mo tio lunga 90 Day Fiance go
Yeah, now you the fiance though.
no Nigerian mo ya la kanyi mo from Ghana
Yeah, Michael and
yeah
Angela.
Michael in a daka pere
Michael ringo lunga police.
no daka ne mo ka pere 70 ko
70 will 80 ugly when a team of surgery quite.
yeah Michael was 35 yeah daka ne was 70 or plus yeah daka no ti la kino kelo nyere na no ka mo kelo nyere ngolo lai kom nyere yero nyere oh so yeah nyero no papers with bino the western world like in odo and child slave though so cho ko ni gitia ka yero ni kono gi lo nyongi bino lai nyongi teme ning like in bino kere mana pay me love it right so
yeah
so gitia atimo game mo waje ni kono I don't know internet love you chene kono yeah
yo bino waka kabina bara widano
lakin lokatie lakin pole we be mero lo kom jona en lagi bino ya li ngeo cha keep my eyes we take o magi lo mi marriage man dogi chen ka dang wa ni ni ro bomana
lo dwa in the ria
dogi o kono mo lo dogi so kai bin lakin ikelo bikelo lo we dungi ko yana
Anya po mon gi cho en mo ti akelo gin gi gang onyom gin akelo gin kanya wai. Gin when gite ge plan chiro kuja a beri nyom 5 years another green card gonna get divorced a borong ara. Ga er wen ko TV gi ngeko. Now been under Trump ka bay prove case beri kutum. La do in chin gang. Ite carbon I don't think he's even approving anything like that. Like in Dana Pole magite gang ngi mira bino kanya. Gitam oh anyo mo nga mo 5-10 years kon I filed divorce I bought them I yinyo nga mamira ninyo akilo dako pargi gang wala chwara gi gang don't kono nga plan to get it will not work.
No, I don't. Dana tie kang inge ma bere man. Ara tie inga mo we are company but again, now I ying dana ko. Pierre munu get tie person go ngan mo. So ngan mo tie mange okelo daga mo abe. Again daga ni obere mene ko mo ka chiel mo ka rio. Ni man enemy re gina. Penny team divorce ko ba? And I made a dog, kiro kamo apart.
We don't take one lunch. I got you what I said here.
No, mangira bear ni pien. Karipi divorce ngere, tele no kwera nyere, waraga.
No green card ko.
So ena ngamira wajanga na okay, ana kiro kamo man in pien okay, go awalok mena kumberi ko lakini bilok akiro kamo man. So actual neo ko gamire tem. Eno kero daga no already. Obome waraga ni gen gitie la cho ge daga. So coach akelo look mo ta in my immigration. And me la deal and look me fraud. Pien obome waraga yang ni daga ni per.
Ai.
So munuri ko daga no neo abe so neo la cho na kiro doren ko. So en kari ai kiro. So la cho no mo ko. Yeah, so look at doom angle. You know, more get team again, job in a team. So,
like in Pamon, it stemmed from Chwagi just not getting the point. The point is, Dako de, okay, like I said, Dako tia timigami odd wang, Tio full time, get overtime. Chulo 50% or even 60 or 70% of the bills. Now all you have to do is go to work and pay your little portion. You married mama tiri yeni. We take go podi ka chira waka kai ji wani daka dong mi America kilo we go ni kilo we go no get da you water chwagi ko kon gi file divorce. Isn't the issue that imiro a traditional wife and a modern day wife in one? It doesn't work. Kimiro traditional wife fine kill doggy village or beri gang po tidong initim ga weng macho yang timo ger ot T chul bill weng me chene me but dako me expenses me gang weng dako beri mod yang beri gumunu ki tuwerte meko stop complaining ni dako period de mon de. That's the issue. Mon they're doing more than 75% of gami ot. It's not like before. Kari ting me village ka koni kelo kan guess what choma ti kan you get him the same thing da munu mi kelo gi village kono kelo gi Uganda kono kelo gi Juba kari kelo kan lo kero da ni tigrerie top da ni me them exactly the same thing the first wife was doing your da mono no yang timo gi America wala was da erbe kon tama ngwadrerie. You see the issue okay cho give me both a traditional wife my bit laling water and kado modern day wife ma tio chulo bills weng go gang go lotini ka go chware. It's too much to bear.
Yeah, munu yo waje in kajal niki tiegi cake, I bake cake be yala in mene mera chama.
Yeah, it's too much.
So yeah, it just
okay, I want to add that even more magi nyo gang chomati gang. I'm not even talking about chomati gang. Ginyo mo mon. Okay, mind you, get talk about mon mati in West. Ginyo mon mati gang. Okay, mon eri just jaro get to put up get your mon mati gang in the village ko. Cause chomati gang is mere traditional wife ko. Give me mon to get chiri teach. A con get him a gami gang. Log mo mani daka better gang no pay. Kada ka biru gang kilo lok ni ngo daga ni too idle ti a goso gi mon kon ti influence daga ni ko bori an kono NP timo ngo ga per mi gang do la cho timo ko mabe karang chaka kongo wang chin chigwar mon mo ken ngo I know cases mo mabe no kon what were dropping names ko we cho o tingo mona ta gu munu wonde daga ringa ka kada ko do kai there's a case where ngamo binyo daga ni amiri chire gangkwan chwala ni gangkwan ma pori bo wanywa okay acho chwalo Uganda gangkwan daga ni obi duko gel lotina rio okay lotini pangani ni anongo gini yo okay so you tell me one west mawarat, are you sure? You tell me Monmati village will get you Jew will Uganda, they're not tainted? Giloya one. Mon kuja giti ngamo ken mami $2 $1 tum. Get your gilachone. Get your gilachone. Get your gilachone. Are you sure? Are you sure it's just mon in the West Mati issue? Well, the source of the issue is cha wang me community to an American address ngani gami gang my bear. We put down per kono ringa. Well, pe kono down per pochi cheating chal in mon mar pore gigang kujanero cases mokoma do. So kon nene ni chware mar ngamo lawyer and your tia would ngamo and me ko je wa jaga chira pore wako kuja ingeyoko. It has nothing to do with ni mon mati west mati gina what you draining chow who will a divorce rate high. The source again is roles in nyum or laga. Gender roles in nyum or laga. Within our community too, not just overall in society, community are changing too, like any the community to expectation me both roles tia laga. Sure, they expect too much about mon. Kado give me wa biel gini dingewa on top of it. It's impossible. No one you are looking at what like you be me wa biel gini dingewa. Kagi complain if you daka ringa daka mira divorce. Are you sure mon is the issue? So I don't know. You have anything to add to that? I'm here for sure. Monma gang gitia timo worse than us Kanye is what I'm trying to get at. It's not a matter of Monma ti was gitia balo jaw or gitia balo nyom too. Okay? Because Monma gang man gitia timo a lot worse than what Mon Wako kantia timo na. So what is the source of the issue? That's what we need to address.
Yeah, I think it covered my local wing and local my THL topic ma dana wang mera no ginyam local chogi bie giti Western world mera gingira be giagitia timo right gima gitia bala kilo twin down laga ya la ka kwera ena on you down a kilo we come nyo en dio en ka chira ga nyo dago nyen nyo en lo me marriage be cat bien loke when tie ikin traditional marriage ma dana when miro ginge abe gia miro kin gite ma be we nyum to wood a pot abe nyo gi bet ka chiel yang dana daga like yo gi bere wa magita te nyume gi bere kailo ngo time kin gi gore kono time ni ngo te gi nyum yeah te gi nyum no wota okay so but angyo ka gemoy munu chape mo cho mo ko ngi ti gi mun tu gi bere mo wa like akin mi bere from the time gi nyume till to this time pinyo bere cha dagaga gene lo longo de smooth road ko munu gimo time a duong to the point where get cara look mer I can put take a chill so munu jo amero me gi credit ma mi bedo I take the mo Paul gi mon tu gi
nene
yeah
Jesus Christ
I can ka
you tweet pe
yeah gimo mi no me mono pe
So I know what this is issue magi to address by the community because look at the it's sensitive to a point where Cha will accuse Mon will accuse Cha, and there's no common ground because there's a lot of outside influence in Yom. It doesn't matter where it's taking place. Kone Africa, will Okeny, will Europe. There's influences in Yom, Yala because roles of cha well a husband and wife when minute love in the community. So it's something that maybe actually needs to address as a community because otherwise divorce rate is going to increase, Puri, the way I see it. Like I
Yeah.
said, this extreme ends, right? Mon mogodong kelo gi de gi a gi bora chwagi the divorce nyo gi cat gi chero gi dak another state or another country will ngonga will another village in your gi dak a village to the other extreme end is mon magiti atala ling today as I know it. Mon more put nyom for how many years? Giti atala ling they don't want the community to know nyom to get rich. Okay? They worry more about money, their status in community, what people think about them. Okay? Mon mo gi odd ben gi look gi chwagi. Mon mo gi in different rooms gi chwagi. Mo ben gi in the house ko. Gi look ben ko gi each other ben ko. Nigi nyom for 20, 30, 40 years. Okay, this extreme ends, I think we need to address it as a community. Minano, the source of the issue and how to move forward as a community. I don't think the issue is just Mon Mati West. That's not the issue at hand. Okay. Any final thoughts, okay?
No, I think you covered most, man. Basically, yeah, I think Paul Shaw, at least actually, I'm better with the traditional marriage, economic take, but eating you kind of danatia nyome gilo roke nini wajone. So ki nyome gila roke mana, ingeo culture na part. Yeah. Kero mi team kono gamo and kono mi dog kono Africa you kono mira nyumo mona di yala and chiga chulong bala Kenya mana. So take it cover America when.
Okay, okay, yeah. I think that's it for tonight, guys. It's been Ceng Abicel, Okeny, session number 2. Please make sure to like, comment, and share this video. What do you think about Lokminyom? What is your experience with Nyom? Do you know anybody within your community Matia go through this issue? Will a divorce how do you think we should address it as a community? Lokminyom, your divorce rate Matia gonna increase, not only in the West, even Gang. Where now Dano Gitia Cat, Mon Dok Gang Tuki, Jogi Mon Mokena, and then they see the same issue again and again and again. Look, Mokokonum Jogitia Doki was this Panamon Gang, Gikelo, Mon Kilo Wigi, to a point now, Cho Nyoma Mon Magang, get water gang, get it only once a year. The issue now, Mon Edwin, get Cho Gang, Kuja, well, a boyfriend Gang Kuja, get Chamo Chena, Chamo Mod. But that's not our issue. Kala Cho is okay with that, it's fine. I can look at the root cause of issue in the community too, needs to be addressed because it's not a matter of Monty West get rights will get privilege, Mogomadi use it from Cho. There's a root cause of the community when it comes to Nyom. Anyways, follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. What do you YouTube? The Chaka Leb Acholi platform. Any also what host Okeny as Ceng Abicel Okeny every Saturday in the evening. Okay, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Facebook. It's Chaka Leb Acholi as well. And my name is Jacqueline Ikangokot. And you already know Okeny Pa Eli. You guys have a good night.
Yeah, good night, Kang.
Okay, bye, Okeny. Thank you so much.
Yeah.